Hello friends, this is Bhavatosh here. Welcome back to my channel, Perfect Analyst. Let's talk about the history of Python today. You must be wondering there should be some great story behind the name Python, but it is not like that. There is no particular any dramatic origin story of Python. It is a very simple story. So Python programming language was created by a Dutch programmer called Guido van Rossum. So it is in the late of 1980s, and the name was coined by one of the British comedy series, which he was a fan of that. And this circus or this program is created by a comedy group called Monty Python, and it was very popular at the time during 1970s. So he was watching this series and enjoyed a lot, and based on this comedy series name Python, the Monty Python, or can say Monty Python's Flying Circus, right? So, as a nod to his favorite comedy show, he named this as programming language called Python. So, since its creation, Python has grown to become one of the most popular and widely used programming language in the world. And the first version of Python was launched on February 1991, version 0.9.0. So this is about the story of Python. You should know. Next, come to introduction of to Python. So you have to remember four important points here regarding the Python, right? So I have mentioned here Python is a high-level programming language. So what does it means? It means it is very easy to learn. High level means it's very easy. So that means it's not a complex thing like C or C++ that you are learning. So it abstract away many of the low level details of the computer hardware, such as you need not worry about memory management, CPU register, and this allows programmers to focus on the logic of their program only rather than any underlying hardware component. And it is designed to be easily readable and understandable by humans, as like you directly talking with the system. So it is very easy. So they often use natural language construct and syntax that resembles human language. Okay, so this is about high level language. It's very easy for any program, any layman can try to learn this program. And it is a interpreted language. Okay, so that means it's execute line by line. Suppose there are four or five lines in Python you have coded, and there are some error in number three lines, so it will stop there. Okay, it will show a error there, unlike C, right? Suppose there are around four five lines errors. Until you rectify those errors, you cannot execute that one, right? So that is called interpreted language. C are like compiler language. Now, object oriented programming language, I will have a separate session for that. Object oriented, what is the concept behind object oriented? Next, come to dynamic semantics. Dynamic semantics is like behavior of programming language during runtime. So directly it run at the time of execution. Let's say, for example, if you're writing some code like uh, a equal to 10. Okay, normally what happens in C is you have to define first what is a, but in this case you need not define a, what is a. Directly if you type a equal to 10, automatically the program will understand that this is a variable. Okay, so this is about introduction to Python. So from the next session, we'll try to learn about variables. What are the variables, data types, tokens, etc. So thank you so much for watching this video. We will continue our Python classes. Thank you so much. Bye.